If you want to start making money cleaning Airbnbs, but you don't know exactly where to find your host or where to even start, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I would do if I had to start over today. I'm going to give you 6 simple steps you can start doing today so you can actually find your first client. Airbnb is great, but it's not great everywhere, but it has been expanding a whole ton. So the first step would be searching if there's Airbnb hosts in your area. Is it a good market? Is it worth for you to spend your time looking for Airbnb clients? Or should you decide to clean something else? The way you're going to determine to see if Airbnb is good in your area is super simple. So you're going to go into the Airbnb app, you're going to search your city, your state, and you're going to see how many properties are in your area. If you see more than 1,000 properties, you're sitting on a gold mine. You can also go into Google, search vacation rental properties, Airbnb host, and you're going to see a list pop up. Of course, if you see a whole bunch, go on their website, see how many properties they have, and it's going to show you right there. Make sure it's in your area. And if you're just scrolling and scrolling and they have a whole bunch, that's also a great sign. Now that you know Airbnb is great in your area, now you're going to grab 10 to 15 listings from Airbnb and Google, and you're not even gonna overthink it. You're just gonna make a list. Step number 2 is gonna be identifying the property manager who is going to be giving you the jobs. So on Airbnb, you can find that in the host section. Maybe it says Airbnb property management name, like a business name. Click on it, go on the website, probably scroll down, find the about page, see if you can find the actual Airbnb host contact, because that's the person you're going to want to email. If you don't see anything on their website, you can go on Instagram and maybe you'll find it there. You can also go on hunter.io. It's like an AI software that helps you find the actual contacts of businesses. Apollo's also a great one too. But the goal is to find who's in charge of hiring cleaners. Once you find that contact, you're going to send them a simple message just asking if they're looking for new cleaners and what's the process to get into cleaning with them. A lot of the times these Airbnb hosts sometimes just need a backup cleaner, so maybe you can get your foot into the door like that. Step 4 is the thing that most people don't do, and this is exactly why they fail. So following up. So today you emailed 10 to 15 Airbnb hosts. Tomorrow, you're going to email 10 to 15 Airbnb hosts, and you're going to keep doing that until you start getting into conversations, but you're going to want to keep following up with them. So even if you emailed a whole bunch and no one got back to you, you're going to send them a follow-up email probably 3 days in. You don't want to spam them, but you want to let them know that you're interested. Step 5 is the one that's going to lock you in with these Airbnb hosts. You have to be ready to start. You have to have your pricing set. You have to have your cleaning supplies. Be available for whatever comes your way, especially at the beginning, and respond fast to your messages. This is where you win. Step 6 is repeat this daily. You're going to want to reach out to 10 to 15 Airbnb hosts every day until you start getting the momentum going, you start getting into conversations, and you find that first client. And then, of course, you keep doing that until you fill your schedule. But the goal is to get yourself out there, build momentum, and let these Airbnb hosts know that you're out there. I've had my Airbnb cleaning business for 3 years now, and one thing that I would do differently is reaching out to multiple hosts, even if I already had one host locked in. I would not overthink it. I would not feel like I need to give my 100% to this one client. Just like they have their cleaning crew backups, you need to have your backups as well. This is exactly what I teach step by step in Digital Cleaning Academy. It's a course that I created to help you go from zero, a complete beginner with Airbnb cleaning, to finding your first client, knowing how to price, learning how to scale if that's what you want to do. Like that, you're not here trying to figure it out on your own. I have it linked in my description if you want more information on it.